All right, so it may be a store-bought gingerbread house, but there are ways you can elevate your decorating game. Here to give us a few tips is the owner of Patisserie V. Marie, Vanessa Fiorini. Thanks so much for being here this morning.
Thank you.
Okay, these look amazing.
Thank you so much.
How long does that usually take?
You know, they do take 2 days.
Yeah?
But just because of the drying time period,
Right.
but they don't take that long. These houses, I actually made the gingerbread and cut them out, but you can get a store-bought kit
Right.
and make it look just as beautiful.
Okay, so you're gonna help us do all of that.
Yes.
So you call this the royal icing. This is the first thing we're gonna do,
Yes.
right? So this is this part here.
This is royal icing. You need it very stiff to hold
Okay.
the house. This is like your concrete to
Right.
build your house. So
Because if you don't have sturdy concrete, your house will fall over.
all over. Okay, so
Okay.
there's 2 ways to decorate. One, you could decorate while it's up and then you put your candies on, or
Right.
you could decorate flat down. This will give you a lot more opportunity to make beautiful decorations, because I wouldn't be able to do work like this if it was up, because all the icing would
Right.
slide down. So I'm gonna give you
Okay.
a big blob of royal icing on your
Ooh.
board, and this is gonna help us keep the house up.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is get your offset spatula.
This is this right here?
That's that, and
Got
then
it.
spread it over your whole board as much as you can.
And you want to kind of make it flat in a way?
Yeah, so hold it down.
And this is great, obviously, to do with the kids. Like,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get Noah, my nephew, to help me with one.
And if you don't have a cake board, you could just use a platter.
Oh, nice.
So
Something
just-
simple and easy.
Yeah, this is just to give you a really good grip
Okay.
for your house.
There you go. And you want to get it
Yeah.
right to the end there.
Yeah, just to make it look like snow.
And you can eat a bit as you're doing it as well?
I baked some gingerbread cookies if you want to dip it
Oh,
in.
you're so kind.
So try and get it as far as you can.
How does this look in?
Perfect.
Lovely. So once we have this kind of,
Down.
yeah?
So you have a piping bag beside you with royal icing in it as well. I want you to grab the back of your house. So this is my back.
Okay.
Put it up and stick it. You'll feel it like grip on.
Like that kind of? Ooh.
That's
But maybe
the
hold it
front,
down,
this
right?
way.
Oh, you see?
Yeah.
And this is why you're here to help us.
So get your piping bag.
Yeah.
Make a line right here. It can be thick.
Okay.
And then your wall, and you'll just hold it up like that.
Right. You really want to get
And press it in.
That
and you'll feel that
concrete.
it,
Okay.
and you're gonna get your wall and put it right
Perfect.
there. Great.
Oh, lovely.
Right?
And then how long do you hold it together for a
Well,
bit?
do the other side. You'll feel that it's holding by itself.
Oh, mine looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yours looks really good though.
Great. Now to get your other wall.
Yeah.
And I can already let go.
And then you just keep doing this for each side, right?
Yeah, and it stays up because of the grip that you put at the bottom. Same thing. So do that.
And then you
front
put
of
the
your
other
house.
end.
Yeah, and put your front.
So once you have it all together, because ours is definitely looking good, our house is
Yeah.
not tipping over, then you can kind of decorate a bit, right?
Yeah, then you can decorate. So
Are these like Oreo cookies?
they're cookies. Yeah, you can cut them in half. So all I did was this.
Yeah.
And you can grab some cookies.
So you just lather on all of
and
that.
Just stick them wherever you want.
Oh my gosh. So I would do like, because I love chocolate, but I also love vanilla. You know when you can't choose? Can you kind of just do
You
each?
could do one side each. You can do every other. You can also
Yes.
just put dots here and grab some candy and decorate.
And just put it on like this?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm losing the candy. Oh my gosh, I'm losing all the candy, all the candy.
And you could do it however you like. I'm just gonna put the roof on
Oh, I love
here,
that.
just to show. I provided the royal icing recipe. It's gonna be online.
Yeah.
The only thing I suggest, if you are gonna buy your store-bought kit, make your own icing, because you can decorate so many ways with it.
Right.
So use the recipe that I gave. And this is the roof.
And then just put it on like that.
Goes on here.
I heard you do something really cool with disco dust.
Disco dust, yeah.
Yeah, I love how you just lit up right there.
It's so fun.
Is this right here?
Yeah, so grab any of those.
Okay.
Open it up. There's silver, gold, that's clear. And just sprinkle
Let's try
it
the gold.
anywhere.
And you can just sprinkle it on the
You
house?
can put it on this house, so you can put it on.
Like, whoa! Whoa! It's, whoa! Oh my gosh, the kids would love that.
I know, and it's edible, so that's good.
Oh my
too.
goodness, and you can sprinkle it on this one
Yeah,
too?
go for it.
Yes, a little bit of Christmas magic in the building.
You're gonna be very sparkly.
This is such a cool little element to add to really elevate the gingerbread house.
It just makes everything that much more pretty.
Oh my goodness, I love it. And then obviously once it's done, like do you actually eat your gingerbread houses or do you just leave them to decorate?
No, you can eat them.
So you'll make, okay, one to leave out, obviously, for the people, and then one to obviously
That's
eat.
why the ones with the candy are really good to eat, because you can eat everything on it first. These ones are pretty, but you could just use it to decorate as well.
Love it. Oh my God, your tips were so amazing. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Canada. Hey, you can find Vanessa's icing and gingerbread recipe on yourmorning.ca.